with vendors. That is outline agreements means like maybe value contract is there, quantity contracts are there, some other types are there. We'll see. Okay. First definition means outline agreements is a external document. Okay. Okay, this is outline
Okay.
agreement. Outline agreement definitions I'm saying. Outline agreement is an external document and it's a legal document. Okay. Our outline agreements is our external document and legal document. And outline agreement it's a long-term agreement between company and vendor. The outline agreements means it's the long-term agreement between vendor and company. Okay. So again, the outline agreements. This short form is OA. Okay. Outline agreements is two types. One is contracts and second is scheduled agreements. Okay, two types of outline agreements. Under that, contracts is we will see first one by one. Okay, understand, right?
Yes, sir.
So contracts also same definitions. Whatever we said, outline agreement, same thing. Contracts also it's a long-term agreement between vendor and the company, and it's a legal document. Agreements means what is mean agreement? See, such in like maybe such a period of duration, like maybe 6 months or 1 year. Okay, so this is we are looking the materials for we are going to purchasing. So this is we just taking the confirmation from the vendor and the company. So this is the duration we are planning to buy this material, quantity of material. So vendor he has to ready to supply with this period, which whenever we require the materials, we will release the PO. So vendor will send the materials to the organization. So this look like it's a commitment. Okay, so we'll just taking the contracts. Like example, so 1 year contract is there for productions department. The 1 year durations we are estimated our materials we are planning to buy our 1,000 pieces. So 1,000 pieces we will not keep buy in one time and all the 1,000 pieces in plant. So whenever we wanted, we will release the PO to vendor. Vendor will be ready to supply the materials. But durations we will give the vendor. What is the duration? What is the material? And what is the material quantity and the prices? Everything we will mention in contracts. We will send the contracts to the vendors. Okay. Anyway, we will see one by one. Then you will understand. Okay. Again, contracts is three types are there. Contracts. Quantity contract, that is called as a MK, quantity contract. Value contract, WK. Distribution contract to DC. So this is three types of contracts are there. Quantity contract means, so this is the duration 1 year. So we are going to purchasing materials, that is quantity contracts. So value contracts, we will give the 5 lakhs of value agreements. Under that 5 lakhs, whenever we need materials, he will supply the materials to us. That is, we will mention the value under. That is value contract. So distribution contract means we are the in head office we will handle in Bangalore locations. Okay, we will sitting in head office in Bangalore. We have other places also, Mysuru, Chennai, Hyderabad also. So you will be sitting in Bangalore locations. You will be handled to the multiple locations. Then you will send the one agreements to the vendor. So you will give the vendor materials quantity. You need to be delivery some materials in Mysore location. You need to be delivery in Chennai location, Hyderabad locations. This is global contract, or maybe centralized agreement we can call, or global agreement we can call, or distribution contract. So this is 1,000 pieces. So 1,000 pieces, okay, 300 Mysore, 300 in Chennai, and 400 in Hyderabad. So we will splitting the quantity of other locations. That is called as a distribution of contracts. This is three types of contracts are there. Any doubt is there?
No, sir.
Okay. See again, the contracts, the creation is a T code is a ME31K, changes ME32K, display ME33K. Okay. Create 30 ME31K, changes 32K, display 33K. Okay. Reports for materials ME3M, and reports for vendors ME3L. And we will see in practically, then you will understand. Okay. Next, create number ranges for contracts OMS6. So this is the T codes and creation of number ranges and all. Okay, now we'll see in practically how to create contracts with vendors. Okay, so contracts again we can create with reference to purchase requisition and RFQ number. Any one document number is there, we can create with reference also. So we don't want to, if you want to create manually or if you want to create with reference to PR or RFQ also, we can create contracts. Okay, now we'll log in SAP system. So contracts is a creation ME31K. Okay, so ME31K. Okay, see here. So if you're going for create contract vendor, you should already finalize it, correct? If you go for contracts, any vendor, you already decided which vendor you're going to create the contract. So how you will decide contract, I mean vendors again, we will send already to RFQs to the different vendors. So we got final price maintenance, so price comparison. Then who's the least price? Then you're going to create the contracts, correct? So that is
Yes,
here
sir.
the vendor we need to be enter which vendor you're going to create the contract. If you want to create with reference to PR and to RFQ also we can create. So that's what I said. The contracts we can create manually or with reference to RFQ or PR, any one two number. First we'll see manually, we'll see. Okay, so 32 is one of my vendor. Okay, so agreement types are there here. So agreement types here, so WK, MK, what I said here, see. This is standard MK, okay, WK and DC, distributor. This is somebody students are created so many document types. We will also create, no problem. See, first is a MK, first quantity contracts. Okay, MK will just enter purchase organization D123 purchase group 001, enter. So whenever you creating contracts, so contract is a start date, end date is mandatory, right? Like any, if you take any rental agreements also, the creation date is different, but it's agreement start date and end date is will be different, right?
Yes, sir.
So here also we need to be enter the vendor valid. See here, agreement creation date is today, but validity start and validity end is different. So if you want to, you can enter today date, or it may be just enter 1st July 2022 December. Okay, 1st July to December 31st. Okay, enter. So what are the materials we are going to purchase for him with this vendor, this 6 months, 7 months? What is the quantity of materials we are looking? Let's say example, Dell CPU. I will go for 100 pieces. Roughly, I'm saying. So net price is 10,000 rupees. Okay. Okay. Now, if we save purchase order, so with this agreement number, okay, see examples. Now I created one agreement here, quantity contracts. So 100 pieces I entered in the contract, correct? But 100 pieces I will not buy one shot from vendor. So under this 100 pieces, whenever I'm creating purchase order with reference to this number, vendor will supply the material. See, I can create with reference to this contract number purchase order ME21N. Okay, just here contract number is there. You just outline agreements is number is there here. See here, what is number? You notice this is 25, our agreement number. Okay, see, I'm just entering here agreement number. Automatically material, vendor, everything will come. Only the quantity will come blank here. See, and the prices. Okay, so prices also should come automatically. Maybe some other reasons it is not coming here. See, now 100 pieces their agreement. So I don't want to buy 100 pieces in one shot. So I will create purchase order for 10 pieces with reference to agreement. So here I will enter 10,000 rupees. Okay, plant and the storage locations. Okay, you can save. See, whenever you creating agreements, okay, whenever you creating agreements here, contracts, okay, PO is a mandatory for vendor for releasing. Even the contract is there, but if you want to material, if you want to buy material, you have to release the purchase order vendor. That is mandatory. Okay, when you go for schedule agreements, PO is not mandatory. So that is the difference between schedule agreements and contracts. Schedule agreements, the PO is mandatory. Schedule agreements, PO is not mandatory. Anyway, we'll see, then you will understand. So now we created one with reference to one contracts, we created purchase order. So this is the number. If you see next to changes, ME32K and ME32K. Okay, so agreement number here. So if you want to add any materials, now we cannot change the vendor, you cannot change the agreement. That is one time only. If you want to increase the values, I mean quantities, you can change that. Okay, and I change this one. Okay, the prices, it's so we already find out the prices also. If he is giving less than that, no problem. We can enter that PO. Now it's agreements 10,000 is there. 1,000 I entered. Okay, 10,000 roughly I'm saying. So if you want to enter in agreements 9,000, the system will consider. If you enter more than that money in whatever agreements you mentioned, 10,000 rupees per piece. If you enter in a purchase or 10,500, then system will give message. I mean one error. So what you contract based is the value is exceeded. Okay, so that is in display means we can everything will in display mode ME3 sorry ME33. Okay, so nothing, we will not do anything here under this one. We just able to see the display of agreements. Okay, now we'll go back ME31K. See, now I created MK. Now I will go for WK. Okay, that is Bangalore vendor 3. So I will make this one WK. That means value contract. Okay, enter. So start date, end date. Okay, here we need to be enter target value. What is the value we are giving to the contracts, the vendor? We need to be enter whether 5 lakhs or 10 lakhs, whatever it may be. So we need to be entered because this is the value contract. Previously we done for quantity contracts. Within that period, we will purchase. We are looking for this is the quantity of material. Here we will enter roughly say 2 lakhs. Okay, So within these 2 lakhs, now 1 second. Okay, within these 2 lakhs, so I will purchase any materials, whatever is supplying materials as per rate card. Some stationery items are there, examples. So stationery items, so maybe 100 items are there. So 100 items I will not purchase as per his materials list. So whatever I need under that 100 materials, so this month I will go for 10 materials, whatever it may be. Next month I will go for 20 materials. 20 materials again quantity will be different. One materials is a 50 pieces you will take, one pieces, one materials you 10 pieces you will take. Then this month 20,000 will come, next month 30,000 will come, or coming month after 50,000 also will come. But we already maintained 2 lakhs. Whenever the exceeding 2 lakhs, then the vendor will confirm to you, or maybe we have separate track, we can maintain one excel sheet too. So which date we ordered, what is the material, so value per material, so, and what is the vendor is supplied, so what is the still balance in under that agreement value. So that kind of we need to be make it one excel sheet, one tracker day to day activities, so that we need to be maintained separately. Same thing only here, will nothing will anything will, there is no any difference for creation, mkwk, everything same. Only document type we need to be changes, that's it. Otherwise mk how to create the same process in wk. If you go for dc also same thing. Now we'll see reference to pr and anyone. Okay, first I will create one pr. With reference to pr we will create one agreement. Let's example. Now I will create one ME51N purchase order. Okay. Okay. So materials, Dell laptop. Okay. For 50 pieces. Okay. Delivery date December 12. Okay. That means 50 pieces we wanted till this month year end, but I don't want to buy all the materials. Okay. So plan to D1 P1. Okay. Storage location D1 S1. Okay. Save. Okay, PR created 1001 7920. If I will go for here for creating contracts, okay, so just to enter vendor, so Bangalore vendor 3. Okay, in case that is 50 I entered MK quantity. If I will click here, automatically PR will come here. See, this is my PR number 1001 7920. Just continue. Okay, here end date I will give December 12. Okay, enter. So 50 pieces, everything will come automatically. Dell laptop, so 50 pieces. So release date means it's a this till date, this till this year end we are looking 50 pieces, but I'm not buy all materials in one shot itself. So then select line item, go to adapt to plus details, double click. Okay, so you just enter the price for material. Let's say example 25,000 per piece laptop. Okay, enter. Okay, so price is came. In case vendor is giving discount, to select line item, go to item conditions. It's not possible. Maybe it's not taking conditions. So I should tell this. Maybe try in your system also, no problem. It will come. You just enter this select line item, go to item conditions. Just give the if you want to discount anything. So now you can save. Okay, so now one contracts we created with reference to PR. If you want to create with reference to RFQ also same thing. RFQ number will come. You just enter the vendor, which vendor you going to create the purchase, contract. Then rest of the informations are same. Okay, clear?
Clear, sir.
Hmm. Okay, now we'll see document types, so creations. If you want to MK is a standard. The client you don't want to use the standard MK, WK, DC, so we can create document types own. So how and we can create document types plus create number ranges. It will come our own document types. Let's go in SPRO screen. Okay. Okay, reference IMG. Okay, materials management. Under materials management, purchasing. Under purchasing, okay, here contract. Click this one. Okay, find number ranges. Double click. Okay, go to intervals. We can create one number ranges. Okay, so if you want, this is free is there, so maybe a lot of is there, so we'll enter intervals overlap something we'll get. So 404020 2 lakhs are there. Okay, so this is number I'm going to assign now. Document type, so I will go back. Can you mute yourself, Roshan, please, sir?
Okay.
Oh, thanks. Okay, next go to define document types. Select. Okay, now which one you want to go for creation of document type? If you want to MK, select line item, go to copy as. In case if you want to create WK, go to position, WK enter. Okay, select line item, go to copy as. In case if you want to go to DC, distribution chala, distribution contract. Okay, select this item, go to. So I will make one maybe MK. Okay, select line item, go to copy as. Okay, so here MK double nine I will make it, or Z1. Okay, so here just go for here number ranges are there, so number ranges I will make this 02 here, this one. Okay, this I will remove here. Okay, copy all. Okay, this will come, no problem, just give 2 3 times yes, continue, or you can cancel here. Okay, just continue. So mkz1 is our document type. Okay, now we created. Okay, now we'll go for creation agreements. Okay, me41, sorry, me31k. Okay, just I will refresh. Okay, same thing, so I will select here. Okay, first I will enter vendor. Okay, Bangalore vendor 5. Okay, so here instead of MK I created MK Z1. Just click this pop-up, so you will come to know here MK Z1, this one. Okay, okay, so rest of same only, no changes anything. So whatever we created number ranges, system give that number ranges. Okay, December something. Okay, so agreements Dell CPU. Okay, 50 pieces something, so 25,000 value. Okay, enter. See, now whenever you creating contracts, plant is there, but it's not a mandatory field. When you go for schedule agreements, plant is a mandatory. Why it is, I will tell you, just uh, giving informations. Okay, just enter and conditions. Okay, save. The number is started 4030 lakhs. This number is, so this is, we can create number ranges, document types. Then we can go for whether if you want to create a reference to RFQ or PR, we can create contracts. Any doubt is there? It's very simple concepts. It's not much. Technically, nothing will be there compared to PR or maybe P2P cycle. Somewhat length is there. Topics. And this outline agreements is very less topic and simple. There is no much. Technically, nothing will be there. To we need to be learn anything here. Maybe simple concepts. Okay. Next is a scheduled agreement. Scheduled agreement short form is a SA. Okay. SA, the schedule agreement is also same. It's a legal document and it's a long-term agreement between vendor and company code. Same definitions about contracts and schedule agreements also. Plus, it's an external document because we will sending outside the organizations. That is called as a external document. Okay. Here, the schedule agreements for creation T code is a ME31L. Okay, 31K is a contract. Schedule agreements is a L will come. Same ME32L changes display ME33L. Here 33K, here 33. Sorry. Okay, 33L. Okay, next create schedules ME38. This I will show you in practically in system, then you will understand. So here document type is LP, LPA is there. LP is a manual creation, LPA is a automatic creation. LPA means, so in MRP procedure, in PP guys, this generally MRP will come. Anyway, we will also give, we will learn some of the basic about the PP things also, MRP about. So this is, so manually we can create LP and LP is a automatically. LPA means again automatically means it's MRP procedure. If you set in material master for which materials we are going to create agreements, that materials if you set in MRP procedure in material master, then we can create automatically. This again reports for materials here both are same. That's what I didn't show there. This report, so we will see here itself. So the reports for materials, the ME3M, even the contracts and the schedule agreements both are same. Reports for vendor also there also ME3L, here also ME3L. So number ranges are same. OMS6, here also OMS6. Even the screen also compared to same, nothing will changes there. In case here, see now this is contract creations. If we log in ME31L, nothing. So whatever screens are you able to see here, vendor agreement type, agreement date, agreement, any reference old agreements is there. We can copy that, we can create one. Maybe one contract is a date is over. Now we are going to create new agreements. So for the same vendor, then old agreement number you can enter here, continue that. What are the materials is the same material, same quantity, and the same price is there, then no need to be enter again material quantity and delivery. I mean, what is the materials you are looking, what is the material cost, so automatically will come. That is, so ME31L, just enter. See, nothing, everything is same only. Only the T code is very different. But here, whenever you creating scheduled agreements, we can create reference to PR, RFQ. Now we seen this. So additional contract will come. So whatever we created contract number also, with that contract number we can create a scheduled agreements. But whenever you doing schedule agreements, purchase order, it's not mandatory. Why it's not mandatory means we will tell you that what is. One more thing, best advantage if you go for scheduling agreements means, see now 1,000 pieces we are planning to purchase next 1 year. So 1,000 pieces, which date, how many quantities you are looking. I mean, let's example 1,000 pieces July 1st to next year 30th June. So 1 year, so this is 1,000 pieces we are looking. Okay, so now you giving informations to the vendor. Okay, now July will start agreement. So August we needed 200 pieces. Now we have to give the date, which date, what is the quantity you are looking. They where you maintain those details, date details, that will come under as a ME38. So here we will maintain the dates. So this date I wanted 200 pieces, this date I wanted 250, this date I wanted 100 pieces. How? So based on our internal requirement to which date what they were looking, or whatever which date they wanted materials, we communicated to the vendors. We need to be follow the materials also one side. Let's examples. So July 10th, maybe July 1st, he is going to supposed to deliver 100 pieces, means at least 1 week or 10 days before itself, or maybe 1 month before itself, you will send a reminder mails to the vendor. I mean, what you will send, so reminder means, so as per your committed July 1st, you are going to deliver the 100 pieces. So I'm just giving advance intimations to you because it's very critical materials. The production don't need to be stopped. That we don't want to business impact in case if materials not reach to our office. So that's the reason we just follow up the materials till you reach to our office. Keep on, because otherwise business will again, our internal teams will be escalations will be there, that very big headache things and all. That's the reason whenever we committing to the vendors, we need to be follow the material still we receiving from. That is one of the purchase department, maybe end user or functional consultant, whatever it may be. As a purchase department is responsibility, we need to follow the materials for vendors. Okay, that is. See, other things are same information, no changes here. Which vendor you're going to create vendor, same thing. Say examples, Bangalore vendor 5. Okay. So document type here, now document types LP, LPA will come standard. So maybe so many are there here, standard, somebody is created, no problem. So LP, okay, manual creations. You just select this one. So purchase organization, purchase group, if this will come same thing. Okay, here also same. See, start date and the end date are same. Nothing. December 12. Okay, 31st. Sorry, 31st December. Okay, enter. Here, let's examples. See, Dell CPU or maybe Sony TV. Okay, let's examples. For 200 pieces, you're going to purchase it for this December 12. Net prices. Let's say example 30,000. Okay, so plant D1 pivot. Okay, enter. Okay, now we will go for save these applications. Now agreement is created. Okay, so 555 4 zeros 5 zeros 6 5 zeros. Okay, 5550 200. Okay, now I will go for ME38. Create schedules with this agreement number. Okay, this is agreement number, schedule agreements. Enter. Okay, select line item. Go to here, delivery schedules. We should give these 200 pieces to which date, what are the materials we wanted. Just enter. Just okay. So you will get this one actual sheet type. So delivery date. So let's example. So 15th July. Okay. I needed 25 pieces TVs. Maybe next you giving a date for him 25th August. Okay. You giving 75. 100 pieces is over. Next okay, maybe 5, 10. Okay, or 30 pieces. Next 11, 11, 20, 20. Okay, 40 pieces. So how many is over? Still it is there, that. Okay, next 25th or maybe 20 December. Okay, 30 pieces. Enter. So if anything, holidays there, whatever we are requesting dates here, next working day. So in plant, we already maintain factory calendar 01 it is there. The 01 means it is in system will show if any holidays are there, government public holidays are there, the system will tell it's the next delivery will be next day. Okay, enter, no problem. Okay, now we'll see now. So we'll give to vendor these dates now itself. So that's the reasons whenever you're going for schedule agreements, PO it's not there. That's the reasons we will giving dates also to the vendor. This date I wanted. You need to be supply these materials quantities and all. So I don't want to buy these all materials. And one more benefit, we don't want to keep all the materials in our storage warehouse stock. So again, if you maintain bulk this Sony TVs 200 pieces in one time, I need to be should be taking care. The storage maintenance will come, other benefits also, maybe other the cost savings also we can do, like instead of we will go for schedule agreements, inventory space occupy. So at least I don't want to keep all the more space will be occupied. So I don't want to this. So whenever I wanted 1 week or 10 days, I will tell the vendor, so as per these dates vendor will deliver the material, then I will once we receive the materials directly I'm giving to the production department some other purpose. I don't want to keep the materials in warehouse. Otherwise, our storage maintenance is very difficult to. I need to put some other persons on that. So day and night, I need to be take care that materials. If anything is careful, I mean, maybe critical materials, we should be careful. Otherwise, materials will be lose something or that kind of scenario. We need to avoid that cases. We'll go for schedule agreements. So see, first lot, he will deliver 25 pieces. Okay, 25. Second time, 75, he will delivery. The total stock I received 20, 70. Sorry, 100. That means 25 plus 75. Third time, he is delivered 30 pieces. Then total I stock received 130 pieces. So next time I received 11th, November 11th, 40 pieces. Total stock I received 170 pieces. So last slot 30 pieces he delivered, total is 200. How many times I given dates for vendor? 5 times are there. That is here schedules lines. How many times you, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is here. Okay, this is scheduled quantity. Which date you given dates and what is the quantity delivered materials. That is still open quantities will come here. When you go for materials delivery, once you done the goods received, then automatically will this will be stock open quantity will reduce because we already some partial deliveries we are receiving. Then once you save this one. So how we will send these documents to the vendor scan and we need to be sent to that same ME, 3M or ME we need to go for. Okay. Let's say examples ME, 3M. Okay. Here Sony TV. Okay. Just execute here. This is the agreement done. See, 555020. Today date is 27th June. Select this agreement number. Go to print preview. You will scan and we will send to the vendor. So this is output document type. Here the company logo will come, our vendor address or our company address. So these plain columns and all it will come here. Okay. Next, go for here validity from C. Today date to December 31st. Total stock 200 pieces to 30,000. Total value for him for 6 lakhs. So this is the value of agreements. But dates and all we have to other will come. It will not come here. Which dates we are maintained scheduled ME38. That will come another sheet. We have to, I will show you that. So this is our agreement number. This is creation date agreement. This Dixon is a 0001 purchase group, its name it is there. That is here. Standard we are taken, that's the reason it is coming here. Okay, and I will go back. See, select material here. Here delivery schedules is there. If I click here, so whatever we given, see here. So 15th July 25, 28th August to 75, October 5th is 30 pieces. So next to November 11th is 40 pieces. So 20th December 30 pieces. So total 200 pieces. This we will our internally we can maintain, or maybe you can take the printout also, will scan and send to the along with agreements to the vendor. So you will, or maybe, or we need to be follow till materials. Once you deliver the materials, then quantity delivered, so 25 will come. So quantity issued to maybe our production department. Let's examples 25 we received. Emergency they taken 20 pieces. Then what is the stock balance in our storage location? 5 should come. So what is the quantity issued? It will come here. That is here. Quantity delivered, quantity issued. This is what is that? Okay, there's something I'm not sure this one what is. Okay, no problem. Okay, in case if ME3L, in case if you went, if you go for any one vendor, let's example Bangalore vendor 5, how many contracts you deal with them, like W contract, MK, W work value contract, WK distributed contract, schedule agreements. If anything's there, will complete list you will come to me. So this is we created MKZ1 just now. This is quantity contract, and this is schedule agreements. So separate will come. Schedule agreements down will come. Contracts everything will come first. So this is one time of one vendor. So we given two contracts. In case if you go back, if I will change here 32 vendor, execute. See this vendor I given so many agreements to him. See here WK, sorry MK, quantity contract. This I given value contract. Okay. This is also I created one document type ZZD1, ZZD1, this again MK. Okay. Then you just scroll down here. Okay, WK, again MK. This is one document type. Then the schedule agreements also LP. Okay, this one document type same. We'll copy the document type LP. You can give whatever you wanted document type. Characters is 4 characters length. A B C D R R I created earlier. The vendor is same 32, 32, 32. So same thing. This is also will come under here only. Document types where we created a contract, same thing. See here, schedule agreements, SPRO, materials management, under materials management purchasing, under purchasing, scheduling agreements. So double click, same member ranges and document types. See just document types if you want to create. Okay, see LP or LP, whatever you wanted. Select line item, go to copy as. So both are same. You just try. You can maybe you practiced. So this is schedule agreements and the total of agreements, outline agreements. This is one simple topic only. There is much theoretical is something where less is there. But earlier, maybe schedule agreements they're using much. Now only contracts they're using, stationary items, so maybe electrical items, so plumbing items, so, or maybe pantry items. So because in pantry items also biscuits is there, snacks again, some cream biscuits is there. Maybe snacks, or if you see in any office big companies and all, they have a lot of snacks items are there, each and biscuits again. So Britannia, like salt biscuit, sweet biscuit and cream biscuit, what are the cost each and every biscuit. So in that we will make it agreements to the vendors. Any doubt is there, you can ask me now.
No, sir.
Okay. So next class, it's very important topics we are going to discuss. Special procurements. Okay,
Okay, sir.
that is
Okay, sir.
very key. The six will come like the subcontracting, like consignment, and pipeline. So there are six will be there. Very crucial. I mean, very important. That is, you will get a lot of interview questions also in that. Okay, special procurements will there. So under special procurement, subcontracting one topic. Next, pipeline is there. Vendor consignment to RTP is there. Trans, returnable transport package, SPO, and the third party. Six topics will come. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So
Okay, sir.
that we'll see. Okay. Next class is I think Monday, right?
Yes, sir. Monday, sir.
Okay. I think no lockdown in Bangalore. Yedurappa,
No, sir.
Yedurappa is confirmed yesterday.
Yes, sir. No lockdown, sir.
Okay, chalo. I will send this document to you. You just practice and let me know. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Now.